Hi all, welcome to TechFest Java. In this video we are going to demonstrate Java 8 in features, static method in interfaces. So for demonstration of this I have just taken a simple Java project where I have defined one class with a main method. So for demonstrating the default method interfaces, let's just create one interface is which I'm just going to create as account. Now I'm going to define one static method which is basically static double calculate interest, and here I'm just passing in interest rate, long type, principal amount, and integer year. And here what I'm doing, I'm just returning saying principal into interest rate into year, and then divide by 100. Simple. Now to basically why we have used static method in interfaces. Static method interfaces basically providing a high degree of cohesion. What is high degree of cohesion? That is basically it signifies that all the related methods should be put in a single place, and for the using that or calling that we don't require any of the class objects. So that is called a high degree of cohesion. So for demonstrating this, how do we not require any of the class object to call this static method, or any class name required? Default, I'm going to create one default method which is basically nothing but displaying this calculated interests. Now here I am going to take this and calling this method. Simple. Whatever that method will return, it will print in default method. Now I'm not going to create any implementing class. I'm just trying to access these two methods. Let's see which method I will be able to access it with the interface reference and which method I will not. So I've taken a method interface name, and now if I will see that here I am only able to access calculate interest. I'm not able to access the display method. Why? Basically display method I'm able to access only with the implementing class object. We cannot access directly to this using this interface. So that's why the static method is providing high degree of cohesion. Normally what it will do, the static method is normally called from another static method, which is basically we can see that this is a static method, right? Main method is a static method, so it is called from another static method or any other default method on this. Okay, now let's just pass few values. Suppose that 8% would be the interest. I'm passing principal as 100 and I'm taking as 1 year. Okay, and whatever value it will return double interest value, and I'm going to print this value. Simple. Let's run this code and see that what it will print. It will print 8.0. Why? The 100 is the principal and 8% is the interest rate. For 1 year it would be 8%. If I will take it as for 2 years, if I will take it as 2 year, let's see what it will print. It will print 16. For 2 years it would be multiple, so 16 would be here. Now let's just try to create one more class, implementing class, right? Suppose that I am going to create a saving account class, and that is going to be implement that account interface. Now here, if we could see that in interface, suppose we are going to define one public void abstract method. Now try to create body abstract method and print something. Hello static methods. Okay, now here if I'm going and try to create this implementing class object, okay, here to create implementing class object, and if I try to call this method, right, you can see that now the display method is coming, this default method is coming. And what else we can call? We can call this abstract method implementation also, but we cannot call a static method, right, with the reference of class. So static method only belongs to this interface, and it can be called from either a default method or either another static method. So this is the overall demonstration of static method. It is basically providing high degree of cohesion. That is why it is introduced in interfaces in Java 8. For watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and comment out in this video. Thank you.